It's Thursday tradition here at HomeBiogas. That means banana pancakes.
In 2015, we launched our first Indiegogo campaign, showing the world how to turn this into this.
The idea of a backyard appliance that turns organic food scraps into cooking gas was first of its kind. We were so excited to see all these people from all over the world enjoying the system. The first campaign enabled us to get HomeBiogas to the heart of remote communities in need. People who have been cooking over firewood suddenly had clean, free energy. It was a huge step in fulfilling our vision. The amazing support inspired us to think forward. What if we could take the HomeBiogas appliance, make it even better, and reduce its overall cost? It took us over a year. HomeBiogas 2.0 is an advanced appliance that produces green, renewable energy. Installation is now simpler. Just fill the digester with water, mount the gas container using the supplied sandbags, and you're ready to go. The 2.0 version is 50% more productive, easier to maintain, and super durable. We've also added a HomeBiogas stove to give you the perfect solution. An average family produces about 2 liters of waste a day. Why should organic waste go into giant polluting landfills when it can go back into nature? HomeBiogas 2.0 can now produce up to 3 hours of cooking gas per day, more than enough for an average family. Plus, a top quality, completely organic fertilizer that goes back into the soil, your own backyard eco-cycle. Once food waste goes in, the bacteria digest the organic material and release biogas and fertilizer. No electricity is required, it is completely safe to use, odorless, and can digest anything, from fruits and veggies to meat and dairy. HomeBiogas 2.0 is now ready for mass production. We need your help to start the manufacturing process. If you believe in our cause, we invite you to back our campaign and share it with your friends and family. Thank you. More and more people are beginning to reduce, reuse, and recycle as a way of life. Nature has given us so much, and now it's time to give back.